What's the meaning of Azerbaijan? Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan is a country located in the South Caucasus region of Eurasia. Its name is derived from a combination of the Persian words Azar, meaning fire, and Baijan, meaning place, together meaning the land of fire. This name was given due to the country's rich history of producing oil and natural gas, which has resulted in the presence of numerous natural gas flames throughout the country. Azerbaijan gained independence from the Soviet Union in 1991 and has since become a major player in the global energy market.